Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to use Lendingclub's budgeting features. Lendingclub provides simple yet effective budgeting tools that can help you to monitor spendings and stay on track of your financial goal. Instead of juggling multiple apps, you can manage your budget directly inside your account. Start by opening the Insights or Budgeting tab in the Lendingclub app. Lendingclub automatically categorizes your transactions like groceries, dining, utilities, or entertainment, so you can quickly see where your money is going. If something is mislabeled, you can recategorize it to best reflect your habits. From there, set spending limits for each categories. For example, you might set $300 for dining and $150 for transportations. As you use your card instead, Lendingclub tracks progress against these limits. If you approach or exceed a budget, the app highlights it so that you can adjust before the month ends. The tool also ties into savings goals. Reducing overspending in one area can free up funds to put towards debts, emergency savings, or other priorities. At the end of each month, you're going to receive summaries that show patterns, making it easier to plan for the next cycle. By actively using these features, you can easily keep up with daily spendings and align them with long-term goals while building healthier money habits. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.